Hello, guys. I'd like to do this short discussion on how to build happy teams, especially in the BPO industry. For everyone's information, most of the time, people in the BPO industry work at night. So when everyone is asleep, we in the BPO industry are working. So it is really very imperative that the people who are sacrificing to go to work uh, should be happy whenever they are in the office. The stressful task ahead uh, is sometimes unimaginable. People most of the time would come in to work without enough sleep. Some have not eaten, and in fact, I've done throughout my life in the BPO industry. There are times that I work in the office for 12 straight hours without eating anything. That's why I really love to congratulate everyone who are working in the BPO industry. You are really heroes, and you contribute more than 7 or even more than 8% to the country's GDP. So that's very significant. At least that's the last I've heard of, I've read. But nevertheless, whether it is 7, it is 8, or whatever, what you do in the BPO industry as an agent, as team leader, as an ops manager, director, vice president, president, CEO, whoever you are doing the country uh, a significant contribution to the country's economy. And you are definitely a hero. That's why it is really very important. Let's say if you are a team leader, whenever you see your agents coming or some are working from home, it's really very important that as team leaders, you make sure that you attend first. Maybe spend the first 5 minutes of every shift uh, to attend to the needs of your agents, because some of them have issues at home, some have kids to attend to, uh, especially the working moms. They are the super women of this planet. They attend to uh, the family, the needs of the family, and yet despite that, they will work at night. They will attend to stressful situations, stressful calls most of the time. But the mere fact that they are doing that, it shows their sincerity and their love for their family. So definitely as team leaders uh, or as supervisor managers, uh, we need to make sure that people are happy at work. It's being present at the time of their need. It's not just about going out for food after shift or during lunches, but it's about being a leader to them, especially at the time that they need someone to talk to. Uh, because just remember this, guys, the BPO industry is a people industry. Although we have AI, we have bots who do some of the mundane tasks or even the complicated tasks, it is really important that we not forget the people who are doing the hard part, who are doing the thinking, who are attending to customers' needs, and who are making sure that the needs of the clients are being fulfilled, that the customers are satisfied, the end users' issues are resolved. And a lot of you, especially you team leaders, you handle escalations, right? And sometimes you get blamed for delayed resolution. You also need to be happy. That's why it's really very important that we have to have a balance. We need to have exercise. We need to have a compassionate heart. And we also need to eat well, eat healthy. It is really very important that we do a balance in our life because the agents, the people who report to us, are looking at you to be their second parents. That's why it's really very important that you keep the teams happy. No, no guidelines, no rules. Just be there when they need you. And there are times that opportunities would arise and people would have opportunities to be promoted. Make sure that you develop your people, prepare them for the next higher role. And sometimes this is easier said than done because all of us would like a better slice of the pie, so to speak, for ourselves. But it is really very important as a leader to be selfless, to think more of your people rather than yourself. And I'll end this discussion by saying, understand people than wish to be understood, because that's the role of the leader in addition to being accountable. All right? I will not tell you how to make your teams happy. I am not in a position to tell you that because you know it better than I. You know your people. So, tonight, if you can make a commitment, be with them, make them happy. All right? Thank you. God bless.